Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Shug and Alan's Adventures in Cruising.
Hi guys.
That's Shug, obviously. I'm Alan, you can't see me yet. Now here I am.
There you go.
All right, today we're going to give you a tour of Explorer of the Seas balcony room 9340. So when you come in, you've got your light switch here. This is really important, really useful. So this is what you put on the outside of the door. It's magnetic. Of course, the door is magnetic. This lets your room steward know whether you're in the room and don't want to be bothered, or whether you're out of the room and you want them to go ahead and clean up your room. So if you're out of your room and you don't want anybody in here to change anything, you can still put that out there and say that you are sleeping off the adventure. All right, so room 9340. You've got a closet as soon as you walk in. In your closet, you've got some hangers. You got your shelves and a couple of life jackets. Your opposite side, you've also got a breakfast menu there if you want to get some basic breakfast delivered to your room, like croissants, that kind of stuff. This is the bathroom. You've got your shower with your hair and body wash, some towels. Hello again. You've got some storage back here where you can put some of your personal belongings. Basic bathroom. Come out of there. All right, you've got your desk area here. They'll leave your paperwork there for you. If you have excursions, they'll put your tickets there for you when you get on the ship. You got Shug sitting over there on the couch. It does not convert into a bed. It is just a couch, unless you want to sleep on it like it is. You got your TV over here.
And then we have some cabinets.
That was my gesture to tell Shug to come up and give me a hand.
Well, I'm daydreaming. Okay. And then we have a safe where you can lock up your belongings if you don't want to carry everything around with you all day.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have drawers. Lots of drawer space. There's like 3 on this side.
Yep, usually that top one's a hair dryer. They got a hair dryer in there?
No, I know normally it is. Okay.
Huh.
Yeah, normally we have a hair dryer. So we'll look into that.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Yeah. You can also get 2 masks or however many people is in your stateroom.
As of right now, you know, COVID's. Yeah. And your hand sanitizer. We got a fridge and a cooler.
Yes, we do.
Let's check it out.
Here we go. All right.
There it goes. So we got a fridge and a cooler. We got a telephone over here. Some rooms, some ships, the telephones have USB ports. These do not. So there's no outlets next to the bed. So be prepared. You do have an outlet right there, 2 outlets. We usually bring like a multi-USB hub so that we can charge multiple items. Let's see, we've got a balcony. Let's take a look. This ship, as of right now anyhow, is going out of the Port of Miami. So that's where we are at, the Port of Miami. You get your table and 2 chairs. And we'll give you a view from the other side of the room. This is what it looks like. It's a decent sized room. All right, so thanks for watching. We have videos, vlogs on other rooms as well as other cruises. So feel free to take a look at those, and we appreciate you taking your time to watch this one. Have a good cruise.